Yes,
Good evening, Attorney. Ano lang po yung mga napag-usapan with the family of Rene Baterbonia, sir?
Well, marami po. I think the family was able to talk to the players and the parents likewise. Tapos, masaya po na pumunta po yung taga Philippine Sports Commission as well as the DepEd, yung si USEC, si Yusek Malcolm, no? And Chairman Gregorio. And nagpaabot po ng assistance yung PSC sa pamilya. So, okay. Gusto daw tayo? Sige. Okay. So, yun po. Dumating po yung mga players ng Ateneo. Sabi ng condolence sa pamilya, and dumating din yung officers ng CHED as well as yung PSC, Philippine Sports Commission, and the Undersecretary po ng DepEd. And nagpaabot din sila ng kanilang suporta na pinansyal, pero hindi pa nadala, pero I think tomorrow ipadala. And I think tomorrow night the cadaver will be transported to Davao, and then it will proceed to Agusan del Sur and Talacaugon para doon po ipagpatuloy po yung services po sa namatay.
Sir, may nakausap na po kayo sa mga officials ng Ateneo de Manila?
Si Jimmy ang mag-answer niyan. Parang wala pa eh.
Wala pa. Ang nakausap po namin kanina, we had a coordination meeting with the CIDG and the NBI. I think they are conducting a parallel investigation. No? So may magkakaiba sila ng parang iimbestigahan. So we do hope for a smooth investigation, kasi ang mahirap po minsan kapag parallel, minsan iba-iba yung findings. So we're hoping they are able to coordinate well. As far as the Ateneo is concerned, wala pa po. Except I was able to talk to an old friend, sila Coach Sandy, but none yet from the others.
When po expected ilabas yung autopsy report? Meron na po ba silang binibigay na possible date?
Wala pa. No? Yung message lang namin doon sa NBI as well as CIDG, we already intimated to them that as much as possible, they would coordinate with the lawyers of the victims, and that means us. And we would like to inform you that we will be writing a formal letter to the Department of Justice requesting for the issuance of an ILBO, no? Wala pong personalan ito against Coach Tab Baldwin, no? So that in the meantime that there is an investigation, para naman po hindi siya makauwi kung saan mag-uwi, dito muna siya sa Pilipinas. Wala po kaming sinasabi na meron siyang liability po dito. Para lamang po magtuloy-tuloy po yung investigasyon, magre-request kami sa Department of Justice na may immigration lookout bulletin order muna sa kanya. Yun po ang ipapadala namin yan ngayong gabi or tomorrow morning, and I hope and pray that the DOJ will act on it, no, through the Bureau of Immigration.
Sir, what were gathered by the CIDG and NBI lang today? What happened po, sir?
Yung mga details nun, wala pa kaming alam, no? We are also conducting our own independent investigation on the matter, which we cannot disclose, but of course we welcome the investigation being conducted by the NBI as well as the CIDG on the matter. Yung request lang namin na sana makipag-coordinate din sa amin, kasi mahirap na mag-file ng kaso yung NBI, mag-file din ng move yung CIDG. It will somehow affect our case also.
Sir, pero ano po, kayo na po ang official na legal counsel ng pamilya, sir?
As early as last night, they already authorized us. May special power of attorney na kami. Lahat po ng mga letters, pinarmahan na po ng pamilya po. Nangyari po ito kasi yung mga relatives nila, kakilala ako kasi taga Davao ako, taga Mindanao ako. And then, nag-respond ako at that time, nasa aeroplano pa kasi sila. And I had to coordinate with Governor Cane, kaya ganun po ang nangyari. Yun po ang istorya nun. And I was able finally to contact the family through my associates, through the kasama namin sa opisina ni Attorney Jimmy Bondo.
Sir, if you may share, snippets lang po ng discussion with the PSC. Ano po yung mga napag-usapan kanina, sir?
Si Jimmy na yan.
With much credit to the PSC, no, they did not talk about any